Introducing the 2012 Jeep Wrangler. With less than 100,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Wrangler delivers iconic style, future-focused technology, all-terrain capability, rugged power, and the ability to make your adventures truly your own. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: satellite radio, fog lamps, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls, leather steering wheel, intermittent wipers, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, passenger vanity mirror. On the road or the trail, be who you are in the Wrangler. Test drive it today.